Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best Android TV box to upgrade your home entertainment in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Android TV boxes on AliExpress that deliver powerful performance, smooth streaming, and incredible value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. X88 PRO X5M Android 14 TV Box. This is one of the most advanced TV boxes available, powered by the latest M-Logic S905 X5M chipset and Android 14. It supports high-resolution video decoding, fast processing, and modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. With powerful hardware, smooth performance, and future-ready features, it's ideal for high-quality streaming and heavy usage. Pros: latest Android 14 system, powerful next-gen chipset, fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, high-performance streaming and multitasking, future-ready features. Number 2. Mecool KM2/KM2 Plus. This device offers a certified Android TV experience, ensuring smooth performance and better app optimization. It features the powerful S905 X4 chipset, USB 3.0, and dual-band Wi-Fi. Perfect for users who want a smooth, lag-free streaming experience with trusted performance. Pros: certified Android TV system, smooth and responsive UI, reliable streaming performance, trusted brand quality. Number 3. Mecool KM2 Plus 4K TV Box. Powered by the M-Logic S905 X4 processor, this device is built for stable and high-quality streaming. It supports 4K HDR content and Dolby Atmos audio for a cinematic experience. It's a great option for users who want reliable performance with popular streaming apps. Pros: 4K HDR streaming support, Dolby Atmos audio, stable and optimized performance, great compatibility with apps. Number 4. X88 PRO Android 12 TV Box. This box comes with Android 12 and the all-winner H618 chipset, offering improved performance and modern features. It supports up to 6K resolution and includes Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable internet connectivity. With built-in Google Voice Assistant, controlling your TV experience becomes quick and convenient. Pros: latest Android 12 system, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice assistant support, smooth multitasking performance. Number 5. Great BGBM4 Android TV Box. This device runs on Android 10 and is powered by the H313 processor, making it a reliable choice for everyday streaming. It supports 4K resolution, so you can enjoy sharp and vibrant visuals. With 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, it's perfect for YouTube, IPTV, and basic apps, especially for users who want a simple and budget-friendly setup. Pros: smooth 4K playback, affordable and beginner-friendly, easy setup and user interface. So, those were the top 5 best Android tablets on AliExpress in 2026. If you're on a budget, the Android 15 tablet is a great starting point. For balanced performance, the Lenovo Tab K10 is a solid choice. But if you want the ultimate performance and gaming experience, the Lenovo Legion Y700 clearly takes the top spot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.